Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. In this video we're doing another workshop vlog, and today I've bought a new car. I've got a new daily. I went and picked up this car yesterday and I love it. I mean, it's very different to the van I've been driving around for the last few years, but oh, I can't wait to show you guys. But yeah, say hello to my new BMW 235i. So yeah, I bought it yesterday, drove it back from centre of Birmingham. Wasn't like the most exciting of drives for driving in traffic, but with the 8-speed auto gearbox, my god, it makes it so much nicer. And heated seats. I have died to have some heated seats in the car. So yeah, this is a 2014 BMW 235i. It's a 3-litre straight 6 N55 engine, I believe. Turbocharged, a sea of plastic as you'd expect from a modern BMW, but this guy right here had no influence in me buying this one, so it's not his fault. You know, he's not got a 240i or anything that we've had a mess with, but yeah. It's got some gnarly 20-inch wheels, which to be honest I'm not actually a fan of, but it's one of those things that can be changed and probably will be changed in a coming video. Probably going to go something a bit nicer, a bit more kind of just like sporty looking. It's got these carbon fibre wing mirror covers, which again, really nice little surprise. These are M Performance side skirt sticker things. To be honest, I won't lie, they're looking a little bit tatty, so might do something with them. Carbon fibre rear lip, which again always looks nice. Colour-coded diffuser, but again I probably will change that out and go for a black, just because, you know, red and black always looks good. And yeah, the interior is just simple, elegant and nice. We've got the big screen, we've got the Harman Kardon sound system, which, if you know, is banging. And yeah, just very simple, nice black leather seats. So yeah, I love this thing already. Like, I've only had it a day. I've always been a fan of BMWs. I've always liked performance cars, and I've just been like itching to have something, so hence why the purchase of this. Hopefully this is going to be a nice daily as well as something fun, something I can bring to the channel, of course. These things can be tuned in different stages. You know, most people do like the stage 1, stage 2 tune. I might go as far as stage 2. Took looking about 400 brake horsepower from this tiny little thing, but yeah, no, it's proper nice. I'm going to give it a clean because it is riffy on the outside, and then yeah, we can hopefully get it plugged in, because Tom, who I share the workshop with, has all the access to the BMW like software. Let's have some fun with this thing. God, it was absolutely filthy. The amount of tar on that car. Yeah, like, don't get me wrong, it's a very clean car, but that was really filthy, that was. We're going to bring it in now and hopefully do a little bit of a polish test just to see what the paint's like, because yeah, when you get a new car, you just want to have a play with it and kind of get it clean as it can be, and yeah, just go over it with a fine tooth comb and just see what you can find, because new car day, man. You can see the difference in what a bit of polishing can do. Red is one of those colours that only looks good when it's clean, so I've got my work cut out for me. Right, let's get those 20s off and put the temporary wheels on while I find myself a new set. Now that's done, let's see what else we can do in the workshop today. So Rich bought his RX-7 here as a non-runner. Him and Tom have done all the work to get it ready, and it's almost ready to run. So if you saw in the last video, we were talking about this car, Rich's car here. They've done a heap of work to it just to get it in a running state. All new intercooler piping, some other bits and bobs to make this car runnable. But yeah, this is the state it's in right now, and hopefully we're going to be seeing this car started. Yeah, this is probably the first start in like, what, 3+ years?
Proper start, yeah.
Proper start. Like, you've had it idling.
We've had it idling.
I mean, this is going to be hopefully the first time it runs.
When it was idling previously, you know, not everything was connected up. It was really kind of bare bones. So this will be the first.
You say that, Rich, but the downpipe.
Yeah, that's true.
Is on the floor. There is no downpipe on this car, so it's going to be noisy, but we're going to hear this thing run, aren't we?
Yeah. Well, hopefully. Who knows with these?
You excited?
Fucking terrified. What?
From what film?
The fog.
Why?
Because we've got just a 90-degree elbow on the back of the turbo.
Hey, I've already pointed out the exhaust is present, it just might not be attached. So it's okay. It makes it alright. Whilst they figure out what's going on with this car, let's show you what else is going on in the workshop. So this is the current state of the CB250. I'm currently trying to strip it down, getting it down to bare frame so I can sort all the welds out, because we've got this nice hoop on, and then off to powder coating. The engine's just got to come out and give that a clean up. And yeah, I've been filming all this process for its own separate video. And if you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen this little thing being pulled out of my boat Sweet Cheeks. This is the engine. We've been having a few issues with water getting in the oil, so I've stripped it all down, trying to suss out what's going on. The oil in this thing is revolting. So yeah, just ordered loads of new gaskets, new head gaskets, new bolts, new literally everything. And yeah, the cylinder head actually is in good condition though, so that's a very nice surprise. But as mentioned, they're going to be on their own separate videos, both the boat engine and this CB250.
Well, I'll tell you what, that fucking does what it says on the tin, doesn't it?
Oh, I can't see you, man. I cannot see you. I'm going to say that was a bit of a success. It's good to hear it running, Rich. Good to hear it run. Right, that is it for this video, sadly. I really need to crack on with that bike, and as I say, that's going to be a video on its own. But I really appreciate you guys joining along. I hope you like this kind of content, because I'm really enjoying just making these sort of videos where I'm just documenting what I'm doing. Yeah, hit that like button if you like what you see. Subscribe if you're new, and I shall see you in the next video. Peace.